In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com if you want your team to keep information synced between these two platforms. Monday.com makes the setup process pretty straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the integration flow directly from a Monday.com board so you can get connected quickly and start using one of the available automation templates. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want this integration to live. Once you're on the board, look for the Integrate button. This is where Monday.com keeps its app connections and automation options for external tools. Go ahead and click Integrate to open the integrations area. After the integrations window appears, you'll see different apps and services that can connect with your board. From here, find the HubSpot icon and click on it. This opens the HubSpot integration options specifically for Monday.com, which is where you'll choose how the two tools should work together. Next, choose a template to use. Monday.com typically provides pre-built integration templates, and these are designed to help you get started without having to build the workflow from scratch. The template you choose will depend on what you want the connection to do, such as syncing contacts, creating items, or updating information between the two systems. Take a moment to review the available options and select the one that best matches your workflow. Once you've selected the template you want, the next step is to click Connect. This is the point where Monday.com begins linking the board to HubSpot so the integration can be authorized and activated. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to confirm permissions or sign in to HubSpot if you haven't already. Just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the connection. After that, your integration setup is essentially in place. At this stage, it's a good idea to double check that the template settings match the process you want to run. Even though the connection is simple, making sure you've selected the correct template can save time later and help avoid unwanted updates or mismatched data. And that's it. You've now gone through the core process to integrate HubSpot with Monday.com by opening the integrations panel, selecting HubSpot, choosing a template, and connecting the two platforms. Once connected, you'll be ready to start streamlining your work and reducing manual updates between systems.